Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Let's say hello.
Hello, I'm here again. Forget the
Yeah, we should forget what
the face.
you are looking take away. Oh shit, give there. Welcome back again to another beautiful vlog, guys. In today's video, you already know it's a vlog, and I'm about to show you one of the beautiful restaurants in Ibadan. Of course, we came here to just chill out. Anyways, if you are new here, my name is Rejoice, all the way from Ibadan, Nigeria. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to all, like this video, share this video, say hello. Why are you smiling? Hello. Thank you. So guys, we're already here. Let me show you guys around. So guys, this is how race course looks like. By the right is where they sell indomie, whatever you want to order, indomie and chicken and some other food you can order from this particular place. But nevertheless, if you feel like you don't want to stress yourself, you can just go and have your seat and they will come to wherever you are. So this is the left hand side. Once you enter into race course, it's actually a beautiful place. Take a look at these designs. Like, it's kind of unique, because I will not lie, I've been to a lot of restaurants in Ibadan, but this particular place is a beautiful place. I mean it, it's actually a beautiful place. Okay, let me leave you guys so that you can enjoy this video very well, so that you can see all for yourself and by yourself. Anyways, the other side, you can order for shawarma, barbecue and some other things. Then this particular place, a lot of photographers have been coming to this place to come and shoot photos for people. If you really want something nature and something unique, it's just a beautiful place where you can just enter and snap, like take enough pictures. They have so many background, they have so many like beautiful places, you understand, at this particular restaurant. And I love their name, Race Course, eat, drink and chill, my dear. This life, a lot of things are happening, so you have to eat, drink and chill. Okay, so this place you can order for as many things as possible. Guys, the amazing thing, those guys that were sitting there, they were like, Rejoice, sorry, please don't put me on camera. I was just looking at them like, seriously, this dispensation, this century, my brother, you have to grow. Oh my god, don't mind me, guys, don't mind me. I was just like, why you are a young man, for goodness sake. But nevertheless, let's keep moving. Guys, take a look at this restaurant. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Like, it's an open space and the ambience is like, it's so beautiful. It's just out of this world. Seriously, guys, I feel like my camera as well is not even doing the justice at all. Okay, let's move to the right hand side. Guys, take a look at this place. It's actually a place you can just sit down with your loved ones, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whatsoever, even your family. Just sit there, enjoy, order for food and enjoy yourself. And they have DJs, they have a lot of live band, wherever, which they will play you good songs and everything. An amazing thing is you can just okay, let me talk about their chairs. Take a look at this chair. They are not like regular restaurant. Take a look at Love It, guys. So that was where we actually sat, you understand. We decided to pick that particular area so that we can see everything that is going on inside race course. Okay, now guys, let's just move to the other side where you can play games. So that is where we are heading to now. They have a game center for children, even for adults, where you can play like Scrabbles and some other games like that. So you will see it now. So I saw these people, they were just with their kids. Like, this woman who came with her kids and they were playing games like that. Just enjoy this video. Please don't click out yet. You have to see the beauty of this particular race course with unique design. Yeah, this is not a paid video. This video is not sponsored, okay, but I want you to see that we have a lot of beautiful places where you can just chill out, where you can eat, where you can drink and just enjoy life. Problem no dey finish. So you just have to enjoy every moment. You have to chill out. If God blesses you, just take your time to enjoy everything. So we are still at the game center, like the other side of the restaurant, where they have the where you can play games. Take a look. I just love the design. This design is unique and is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you think at the comment section. If you feel like if you think the design is beautiful, and if you think it's not beautiful, that maybe I'm just trying to hype, let me know at the comment section. So guys, let me just talk about the location for Racecourse. Racecourse restaurant is located at Adamasingba Stadium. It's a big stadium in Ibadan and it's well known. So if you are going to this particular restaurant, just tell your bike man, or if you are going with your car, just tell anyone you are going to Adamasingba, and it will be nice if you can come in through the recreational club. Yeah, that center recreational club. I'll put the name on the screen so that if you want to go there, you can just have fun and chill out, so that you won't stress yourself. You understand? Okay, now take a look at this particular place. When I was filming this video, guys, people were not in. Like, a lot of people were not in because it's actually around 5 p.m. So when it was around 6, 7, oh my god, the place was filled up. Like, people were coming with their girlfriends, with their wife, children. Everybody just wants to, chill out and enjoy every bit of life. So take a look, guys. Take a look. You can just sit inside this place and enjoy that African beauty. So guys, I ordered for their menu list. They came to give us the menu list, and this is their menu list, guys. Take a look at this food menu. It's not actually expensive. It's unbelievable that their food are affordable, because I was expecting something more than this. I was expecting like 5,000 upward, and it's amazing that their food is very, very cheap. Like, it's not expensive at all, so it's affordable. Take a look at their drinks as well. Powerhouse for 700 naira. Like, it's very, very, very affordable. And even if you want NSC, anything you want is what they sell at this particular restaurant. Like, Racecourse is one of the top restaurants in Ibadan now. So guys, Lovett actually tried a new food, which is eko and vegetable. Oh my god, when she was asking me about it, I told her you can just order for it and taste something new, because it's actually our first time of tasting it. And guys, you will hear our review about eko and efo. So guys, at this junction, I already placed an order for my food, so I was waiting while Lovett was just enjoying the eko and efo. Oh my god.
I'm feeling like a fire
So guys, my food is here. Oh my god, if you know this food, let me know at the comment section if you truly know it. This is my food, guys. Take a look at this. So guys, right now we are ready to leave this place. Okay, let me ask you, Lovett, how was their food? The eko and efo that you ate?
Well, it was beautiful, interesting. That's not the word anyway. I meant to say it's delicious.
Okay.
Nice. I love the food.
That's your first time of taking efo and
okay, that's my
right?
first time too. And Rejoice convinced me to actually take it. It tastes nice, very tasty. I might try that at home too.
Okay, that shows that you will marry Yoruba last.
Well,
Was it?
Yoruba.
No, just a finger crossed, okay?
finger crossed.
Oshe. So guys, let me talk about the Nkwobi that I ate. I will not lie guys, they delivered lately, and the Nkwobi is actually nice. It's yummy, mouth-watering, delicious. Though sorry about the quality right now. It's actually because they are going out. So but anyways, thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new. I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye. Say bye. Bye.